Dear students, we can also prove the first rule of refraction, that is when light goes from air to any other medium. Okay, air to any other medium, frequency remains same while the wavelength decreases. Now let us prove this mathematically. We know that when light goes from one medium to another, energy of the system remains conserved. So we can say that energy is conserved, or we can say the energy is constant in this case. So we know that energy is equal to h nu, where nu is the Planck's constant. Planck's constant. Okay, and energy is also constant. So we can say frequency is constant. So frequency will remain constant when light goes from one medium to another. Now let us talk about how the wavelength decreases when it goes from air to any other medium. Now let us consider lambda naught is the wavelength of light in air. Okay, wavelength of light in air, and lambda m is the wavelength of light in any medium. Also we know that C is equal to nu lambda, as we know that lambda is inversely proportional to frequency. So we can have nu is equal to C by lambda. So accordingly, if V is the speed of light in that medium, then we can say that nu into lambda m, since frequency remains same in changing the medium. So accordingly, we can write the relation C is equal to nu lambda naught and V is equal to nu lambda m. So C by V is equal to nu lambda naught by nu lambda m. Here this nu represent the frequency and this V represent the speed of light in any medium. So we'll cancel out. Now this C by nu V is equal to mu. So mu is equal to lambda naught by lambda m. So we can say that lambda m is equal to lambda naught by mu. Since for air the value of mu is 1 and for any other medium mu is greater than 1. Since mu is greater than 1, so this lambda m should be lesser than 1. So accordingly, should be lesser. So accordingly, that lambda m is lesser than lambda naught. This shows that the wavelength of light in air is greater than the wavelength of light in any other medium. It means when light goes from rarer air to any other medium, the wavelength will decrease. Hence proved whatever we want to prove in this question.